This video is for the towing wiring of a 2011 UK spec Subaru Forester diesel. I couldn't find any wiring diagrams for it. I even bought a genuine Suzuki towing kit SACC1191 hoping it would plug and play, but it was a massive waste of money. It didn't even have a UK spec plug on it. There's a few of them on eBay, so if you see one, don't buy one. In the left hand side of the boot you will find this plug, which I didn't have a mating partner for, so I cut it off and then crimped the wires that you can see in the correct order to get the wiring working. The wiring diagram for this is as follows.